Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube video. I am Shweta Singh and in today's video I'm going to talk about my highlighter collections. So if you love highlighter, this is for you. So let's go. Let me show you my highlighter collection. So the first product I'm going to talk about is Soft and Gentle from MAC. This is one of my favorite highlighters and no wonder this is one of MAC's top seller. It has nice silverish pinkish shine in it. If you are looking for something that is subtle, you can go for this. If your skin tone is from fair to medium, you can go for this. This is just perfect for you. So the next product I'm going to talk about is Beaming Blush. It's from MAC. It has a nice golden shine and the best part about this product is it goes on every skin tone, let it be fair, medium, dark. It just looks perfect on every skin tone. So if you're a makeup artist and if you're looking for that one highlighter that goes on every skin, Beaming Blush it is. So the next product I'm going to talk about is Champagne Pop from Becca. It's in mini size. It has a nice champagne shine in it. The one which I'm wearing right now is Champagne Pop. Just so you know, Becca has shut down. So if you like this product, you might not get this product anywhere or any other Becca products because the brand has been shut down. So yeah. So the next product I'm going to talk about is this. It's Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette. Why am I talking about contour palette in highlighter video? Well, there's a reason there. There's a shade in this palette that works as an highlighter, and the best part about this shade is it gives you a nice natural glow. Days when I don't want to apply highlighter on my face, when I don't want a lot of shine on my face, I go for this product. This gives a nice subtle glow. I have applied it on my T-zone right now and as you can see it gives a nice subtle glow. So yeah. So the next product I'm going to talk about is Maybelline's Master Chrome Highlighter in the shade Gold. It is only for I guess 599 rupees and the color is so nice, it goes on every skin tone. People who don't want to spend a lot of money on high-end brands, Maybelline highlighters are just perfect for you. They have different shades also in Master Chrome Highlighter. The next product I'm going to talk about is Nykaa's Glow Getter Highlighting and Illuminating Duo. So you'll get two shades in it, one lighter and one darker. So what you can do is you can apply it just by itself or you can mix both the colors and apply. The shade which I have is 24K Glam. The Nykaa highlighter is for I guess 699 rupees only and you'll get two different shades in it. What else do we want? So these are all the powder highlighters I have. Now let's get into liquid highlight. So the first liquid highlight I'm going to talk about is this. It's Pink Light from MAC. It is not really a highlighter, it is more of a illuminating moisturizer. Days when I don't want to apply makeup, I apply this as a moisturizer all over my face and it gives me a nice natural glow and it stays throughout the day and I just love it. So the next product I'm going to talk about is Becca Liquid Highlighter in the shade Passion. This has a nice subtle golden shine in it. Days when I want to create no makeup look, I apply this as an highlighter. It gives me a nice subtle shine. As I said, Becca has been shut down and if you like this product you might not get this anywhere. Last but not the least, Illuminating Moisturizer from Bellora Paris. I am in love with this product. I use this product almost every day and it is a moisturizer but I use it as a highlighter because the shine which this product has, it is a lot. So I use it as a highlighter and not as a moisturizer. This has a nice pinkish shine and this also gives like a nice cooling sensation all over my face whenever I apply this product. So I just love it. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it and if you do, don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.
Yeah.